Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download GoMovies application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. First of all, go ahead and launch open your App Store from your iPhone. Now go to the search box and type in GoMovies and search. Once you find this application, go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iPhone. Wait for a few minutes until the application is downloaded and installed. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap the Open button to launch open the app on your device. So that is how you should be able to get the GoMovies application installed on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.